This is the plate after the meal covered in grease, and in this experiment we are not using any special detergent.
Do not scrub beforehand. Place directly into the machine and press the button. A complete wash cycle in just 50 seconds.
The cleaning mechanism of the machine is designed similarly to hand washing, using the surface of a sponge with a rough scrub layer to clean the surface of the dishes. Combined with a high-pressure water spray system and smart float design, grease is quickly removed. And here is the result after 50 seconds, completely clean and not a trace of grease left.